Welcome, night owls and late shift warriors. If you're gearing up for another overnight shift and wondering what to eat to keep your energy up and your mind sharp, you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the best foods to fuel your body before a night shift. Let's start with the foundation, complex carbohydrates. These are your body's preferred source of energy, releasing glucose slowly to keep you fueled longer. Think whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and oats. For example, a hearty bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and nuts can be a perfect pre-shift meal. Next up, lean proteins. These help repair muscles and keep you feeling full. Options like grilled chicken, turkey, tofu, or legumes are excellent choices. Combining brown rice with black beans not only tastes great, but provides a complete protein source. Don't forget about healthy fats. Incorporate avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil to support brain function and satiety. A simple avocado toast on whole grain bread drizzled with olive oil can be both delicious and nutritious. Now let's talk about meal timing. Eating a balanced meal too, 3 hours before your shift can help stabilize blood sugar levels and prevent energy crashes. And remember, hydration is key. Keep a water bottle handy and sip throughout your shift to stay alert and energized. For those mid-shift cravings, prepare healthy snacks like mixed nuts, fruit, or yogurt to keep you going. By choosing the right foods and timing your meals, you can power through your night shifts with vigor and vitality. Thanks for joining us. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more health insights, and share your favorite pre-shift meals in the comments below. Stay nourished and thrive through those night shifts.